Hand-driving screws. The real risks are missed screws, cross-threading, and inconsistent torque per screw. And when something fails, there's no way to trace which screw or what torque. Robotic blow-feed fastening is different. Screws are blown into place automatically, none missed or dropped. Force control seats them without cross-threading, and torque and angle are monitored on every screw. The core is torque closed loop plus per screw traceability. A screw passes only at the set torque and angle. Every screw's data is logged, meeting IATF traceability requirements. Blow feed solves missed screws and slow pickup. Force control plus torque closed loop solves cross-threading and torque drift. Data traceability solves the no way to locate the fault problem. How to spec. First, how small and dense the screws sets the blow feed method. Second, does torque need per screw traceability? That sets the closed loop and data. Third, cycle time sets single or multi-spindle. The same blow feed plus torque closed loop plus traceability logic fits engine assemblies, 3C electronics, appliances, and new energy e-drives alike. No missed or stripped screws. Consistent torque on every one with per screw traceability. Rework and quality disputes drop, and the cycle is steadier than by hand. Want to end missed screws, cross-threading, and inconsistent torque? Talk to us about robotic blow feed fastening.